Are you dreaming to travel again? The dynamics of travel may have changed drastically post-COVID-19. At Maharajas Express, your health, safety, and well-being remain top priority. For a worry-free travel experience, we have reimagined our systems and procedures. Stringent health and safety protocols have been adopted to match the needs of the new normal. Here's how we are preparing to welcome back our guests from around the world. Onboard staff will be temperature screened before starting work and thereafter at least once a day for everyone's well-being. Vehicles used for transfers and sightseeing will be sourced only from trusted partners, having drivers with adequate training in deep cleaning of high touch points and other areas. All the carriages and cabins of the Maharajas Express will be sanitized routinely to ensure guests can feel at ease when they travel with us. While we take all measures to ensure higher hygiene, sanitization and safety standards, your kind cooperation is solicited for everyone's safety. We would request our guests to follow the guidelines issued from time to time and perform basic tasks such as using a face mask at all times, use of hand sanitizer, washing hands with soap water, and maintaining safe distance. The Maharajas Express experience has long been defined by incomparable service and timeless retreats. We hope our guests will once again experience moments of magic when they travel with us. Book your Maharajas Express experience today.